Hey, it's Rick. Welcome to the channel. In this extremely short video, I'm going to show you how I designed the artwork for this snowmobile themed tumbler. I started doing a really rough layout in Photoshop, just sketching in some mountains, some trees, some snowmobiles, using a gradient here for the background. I found some images online that I put a threshold filter on just to create this effect. Then I painted over the entire thing, simplifying the shapes and creating a more graphic, stylized look. I dragged that snowmobile in over the artwork, over the rough, and I put in some what looked like snow falling off the snowmobile. I created a second snowmobile the same way and dragged that in as well. And here's what the final artwork looks like. I decided to create a logo down the side where it could be customized with a person's name. I hope you found this video inspirational. Don't forget to click all the buttons on the way out, and thanks for watching.